Hi everyone, it's Kat. So today I have an unboxing for you and I'm so excited because I've been patiently waiting to open this package. I recently ordered the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the leather version in the size small. Here's the box. I have been patiently waiting to unbox this for the purposes of this video. Okay, so I got the tape off to open the box. Ooh, look. It's nice. So it says Marc Jacobs. It comes with this. Okay, and here is the bag. The reason why I purchased this bag is because I had a small purse that I was using all the time, but it just doesn't fit everything I need anymore. And I wanted to get a bag that was casual, but also cool and stylish, and this one fit the bill. So I'm really excited to see it in person because I haven't been able to go to a store where they had these in stock. And I recently saw on Minx for All, she unboxed the mini version in red. I got the small version in black leather. So I'm really excited since it is going to be grained leather. It will probably be very durable. So let's take out all this stuff. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love it. Okay, so, wow, this is really nice leather. Okay, so let me take off all the little things. Oh my gosh, y'all don't even know. I have been waiting to open this box for so long because I wanted to film a video and give my genuine reaction. Okay, so let's just talk about the outside first. So it's really soft, supple leather, and what I love is how it has the tote bag embossed here. So if you don't want to display this side, which is a little bit more in your face, you can do this side, which has this nice logo patch on the back. This is the price, was $4.50. But yeah, if you want a little more subtle look, you can do this, which I love because I know some people don't like logos, but I think logos are such a fun way to, you know, play with fashion. But yeah, if you want to display it this way or this way. All right, so here is the inside of the bag. So as you can see, we have a fabric pocket here, and you have two pockets, and then also it has this leather piece here that says the Marc Jacobs, which you can actually put a card in, which is nice. And then the bag is lined on the bottom here, but the rest is just the other side of the leather. And the bag does have gold hardware, as you can see there. And it's nice because it's really supple leather, but as you can see, it's also keeping its shape. And here it does have the little toggle, I don't know. It does have this little strap here so that if you do want to put your sunglasses or something, maybe attach a scarf, accessorize, you can do that. So it does come with a crossbody strap as well, and here you can see the gold hardware. I'm really excited to use this bag because it does fit so much. I will put some items in here to show you what fits, and I'm really excited to use this bag. I think because it is grained leather, it's going to be so durable. So for casual or maybe even business wear, I can get a lot of use out of this. And like I was saying, if I want a more subtle look, can go with this side of the bag. But if I want a more in your face look, I can use this side of the bag. And yeah, I'm really impressed. I had been eyeing the fabric version of the bag, but I heard that they kind of attract a lot of dust for some reason. So I decided to go for the leather version, and I will show you what fits in it now. So, and here's the interior again. And here I have my iPad Pro, which actually fits very easily in here. You can't zip it. Actually, wait, yes you can. So there we go, an iPad Pro in there. Then we can fit a book, sunglasses, wallet, obviously. We have some gum. Let's put that in here. Some perfume. And as you can see, there's still plenty of room. So if you needed to put a makeup bag, other paperwork, maybe extra books, a notebook, you would have plenty of space to do so. And what I like about this bag is there is so much space. With this tote bag, you can easily find what you're looking for. And like I said, I mean, if it's an iPad Pro, really easily,